The HTML image map enables us to be able to create clickable areas on an image. So if you have an image and you want some areas on the image to be clickable, take for example your Go map. On your map you can click some areas and it takes you maybe to a broader view of the area, or takes you to some image galleries about the area, or some things about the area. Now that can be done with the use of image map. So in this lesson we'll look at how to create clickable areas on an image using the image map. Image underscore map .html. So we'll start with boilerplate. So we want to create an image map. Right here we have an image. So to create an image map, we first link the image the normal way we will link our image. So let's link our image with the img tag. Then we use the src tag to specify a path, and for us it is images / Dubai.jpg. Then we go ahead to also specify the alt tag and say a nice view of Dubai. After that, we introduce another attribute which is called the use map. Inside it we specify with the name we'll give to the map attribute. So let's give that name image Dubai map. Then now we create the map tag. Then we'll give the map a name. So attribute of name, and we give it the same name as we used in the use map. Then next, inside, contained within the map, we now create areas. Now there are several ways to create areas, but we'll be using an online resource to create areas for our map. So let's go to our browser. Then we type in image-map.net. This is a free online image map generator that we use to generate our coordinates. So for me, I want to get an image from my PC. So I go to where I have the same image which we have linked, and I have that on my desktop. And I have the image of the Dubai here, so I upload the image. Now I want to get some parts of the image, so I'll start with a polygon. So I'm going to be marking some areas on the map. So I've used the polygon to select these parts of the map, so that when it is clicked, I want to say this is a cloud. So the link I want to take it to, let's look for cloud image, cloud. So I'll copy the link to this image and I'll put it here. Then the title, I'll call it cloud. Then I want it to open on a blank page. Then I add another area. So this part has the antenna and some other stuffs. I want to use a circle. So that when any part of this circle is clicked, it should tell you that this is a, let's just call it a cell tower. Then I'll make a Google search for a cell tower. So let's use this image from Pinterest. And I'll copy image address. So paste it here. I also want it to open on a blank. Then I also want to use a rectangle. Oops, sorry, it was meant to be a circle. Then I'll create another one. Then I'll make it a rectangle. So I made a rectangle here, so that when you click on any area around here, it should take us to the Wikipedia page of the Burj Al Arab. So I'll copy this link here and insert it somewhere here. I'll give it a title of Burj Al Arab, and I want it to open itself. So yeah, now let me just give us a walkthrough what we have just done now. Back here, for us to generate the areas for the map that we need to put within the map tag, we need to first of all specify the shape. For the first one here, we have the shape to be a polygon, then the link to be a web address to an image, then the title to be cloud, and the target specifies where I want my link to be opened at. Here I've specified that it should be open on a new tab, while here I've specified that it should open on the same tab where we are in. So the second one has a shape of circle, the third one has a shape of a rectangle. So I have 3 clickable areas here now. So you see when I hover over this, I can click on those areas. So let's get the code. So all the code we need is just those inside the map. So I'll just copy this, Control C, paste it inside my map. So Let me adjust this a little bit. So remember, I already have my map tag, so I'll delete the map tag that was included here. So as you can see, we have 3 areas on our map. Let me give them some spacing so we can be able to see them properly. 3 areas on our map. So the first area has a target of blank, has an alt attribute of cloud, title of cloud, href, which is the link, and has the following coordinates. So you can see the coordinates that have been generated for the areas. So I'll save this and I'll right click to open in my browser. So my image is broken. I have to check why. Oh, so I used comma instead of dots. So I'll save this and refresh this page. So as you can see, this is my image and the image is clickable. See, I have several clickable areas. When I hover over and you look down at the bottom left, you see that it is showing me that this is clickable. And when I hover, I'm also able to see that that particular place I'm hovering over is a cloud. Yeah, this place is a cell tower, and here is a Burj Al Arab. So when I click on this one, it opens in a blank page, the image I have set for it to open. When I click on this other one, it also opens in a blank page. When I click on this, you see it loads inside the page, taking me to the Wikipedia page about the Burj Al Arab hotel, one of the tallest hotels in the world. So this is how image map works.